What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be shooting my BB gun, and we have some empty water bottles here that I'm gonna use. And let's go with the biggest water bottle first, and I'll teleport there and back. So, ready? All right, well, now let's shoot. I'm gonna reload it and I'll get ready to shoot. Look at the hole it made through it. It's crazy. Next level. Look at the hole it made. Look at the hole it made. Last one is a prime bottle. Look, that little thing doesn't even look like it's a hole, but somehow went through it, and the bullet's right there in the prime. Alright, well that was a wrap to this video. Make sure you subscribe and like. Peace.